Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring an exciting opportunity for generating passive income print on demand. Whether you're a creative artist, graphic designer, or aspiring entrepreneur, print on demand offers a low-risk, high-reward way to monetize your designs and artwork. In this beginner's guide, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started with print on demand and begin earning passive income. Let's dive in. Print on demand is a business model that allows you to sell custom designed products without holding inventory. When a customer places an order, the product is printed and shipped directly from the print on demand provider. Let's explore how print on demand works and its potential for generating passive income. The first step in starting a print-on-demand business is choosing the right platforms to sell your products. We'll discuss popular print-on-demand platforms such as Printful, Printify, and Teespring, and how to select the platform that best fits your niche and business goals. Creating eye-catching designs is essential for attracting customers and driving sales in the print-on-demand market. We'll explore design tips and best practices for creating print-on-demand products, including apparel, accessories, home decor, and more. Once you have your designs ready, it's time to set up your online store. We'll discuss how to create a storefront on print-on-demand platforms, customize product listings, and optimize your store for search engines to attract organic traffic. Promoting your print-on-demand products is key to reaching your target audience and driving sales. We'll explore marketing strategies for promoting your products on social media through email marketing campaigns, influencer partnerships, and more. Managing orders and providing excellent customer service are essential for maintaining a positive reputation and ensuring customer satisfaction. We'll discuss order fulfillment processes, handling customer inquiries and returns, and tips for providing exceptional customer service. Analyzing performance data is crucial for optimizing your print-on-demand business and maximizing profitability. We'll explore key metrics to track, such as sales conversion rate, average order value, and customer lifetime value, and how to use this data to iterate your strategies and improve your business. Once your print-on-demand business is up and running, you can consider expanding your product line and scaling your business. We'll discuss strategies for diversifying your product offerings, entering new markets, and leveraging automation to streamline operations and drive growth. Thank you for joining us on this beginner's guide to passive income with print-on-demand. We hope you found these insights helpful in starting your own print-on-demand business and generating passive income from your designs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on entrepreneurship and passive income strategies. Until next time, happy printing.